EMI, Mind Science, Be Free to Be You. Imagine your mind is not only your brain, but it's also integrated into your body as well. That your psyche is made of many emotional mind states. Many emotional mind states are healthy and help you cope really well with life for the most part, but a few may be disturbed or traumatized, frozen in time. Now, these states develop into disturbed emotional mind states of depression, anxiety, panic, defensiveness, insecurity, fear, not good enough, unlovable, unworthy, sabotage, PTSD, and the list goes on, and become the basis of negative beliefs and feelings and how you look out into the world. What does that do for your relationships, friendships, and choices, and your ability to make the most of yourself? The problem is that these disturbed emotional mind states form triggers into your consciousness and are set off by ordinary cues in daily life. A look, a tone of voice, a colour, or a smell. Some are triggered into irrational thinking, feeling, and behaviour that come in waves, while others are more long-lasting and difficult to shift. Many try counselling, CBT, hypnotherapy, coaching, positive thinking, and many other approaches, and may get a diagnosis as a mental health issue with medication. Now, there is another way. I have a way of accurately contacting a disturbed emotional mind state from the symptom or trigger, guiding it through your unique healing pathway and integrating all within a session at a time, approximately 60 minutes, providing relief, release, and freedom that allows the neurons to rewire more healthily. This is fast, requiring only a few sessions for complex issues. Also suitable for trauma, recovery, and sexual abuse recovery as well. It's deep, gentle, and uplifting, and most of all, non-traumatizing, suitable for most people, but not for those with serious mental health diagnoses such as schizophrenia, borderline, bipolar, etc. Now, if you are one of the most people, please look through my website, and if you're interested, book in, and hopefully I'll see you soon.